Welcome, today in front of me ASUS Zenfone 9 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then let's tap to network in internet. After that you'll see here internet section, and just to activate Wi-Fi we should click here only once on the switcher. After that we'll see here all the available networks. For example, let's use this one. Just here we should enter the password, and if you want to see that password we should click here on this checkbox. Just to have no some mistakes, I'll enter it out of. After that we just should click here to OK, wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you want to just add here more networks, just select the network, enter the password, tap to connect, and after that you can switch between all of the networks here. If you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi here, you should just click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Also we can make it by the second way. Just first we should open the notification panel shortcuts, and after that just to activate the Wi-Fi we should click here only once on this icon. Now it's activated as you can see, and just to use to launch the Wi-Fi settings we should hold for a while this icon. As can you see, now we'll just open the same Wi-Fi settings. So here we can see the list with all of the available networks, and we can just select more from these networks, and just to turn it off we should click here once again on this Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.